Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna do 5 chaffle recipes. If you don't know what a chaffle is, it is basically a keto waffle made of cheese, egg, and I do a little bit of almond flour and baking powder, which you can omit and just do cheese and eggs. So let's just jump right into it. Our first chaffle is the dessert chaffle. So for this one, you'll need some keto chocolate chips, some almond flour, a little bit of stevia, some vanilla extract, cocoa powder, some baking powder, cinnamon, mozzarella cheese, some raspberries, and an egg. So into a bowl, you're gonna mix in your cheese, 1 egg, and I will have all the, specific ingredients below. That almond powder, just a pinch of baking soda, cinnamon to taste. We did a lot because we like it. Oh no, that was cocoa powder, just kidding. There you go, there's the cinnamon. And your chocolate chips. Basically everything goes into one bowl together except for the raspberries. And you're gonna use whatever waffle maker you have. I love these. It takes like 4 minutes to make it, not even. Then we decided to just decorate it with some raspberries on top. This is just a handful, so it's not even 10 carbs. And a little bit of stevia baking sugar. And there you go. Then we have the garlic veggie chaffle. This is my favorite one. So for this one, you're gonna need an egg, baking powder again, salt and pepper, mayo, a little bit of almond flour, mozzarella cheese again, some little tiny bell peppers, sliced up cucumber, some green onion, and garlic. You're gonna mince the garlic really fine. Just mix it in with like maybe 2 tablespoons of the mayo and just mix that all up, and that's literally it for that. Then in your bowl, you got your cheese again, your egg again, your almond flour, pinch of baking powder, and mix it all up till it looks gross. And then once your chaffle's ready, you're gonna just put that mayo right on top. Then organize your cucumbers, your little bell peppers, your chives, or not your chives, your scallion, and salt and pepper. This looks so good. I'm really hungry watching this. This is one of my favorites, the breakfast chaffle. So we're gonna use Mexican style cheese this time. Same as always, almond flour, baking powder, salt and pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, an avocado, some bacon of your choice. I use turkey bacon because I like it. 2 eggs for this recipe, some butter, and some spinach, and just a little bit of scallion. So in your pan, you're gonna heat up your bacon. You're gonna just have it chopped into whatever size pieces you like. Then you're gonna saute your spinach over butter. You're just gonna put about a cup of spinach in there and cover it. This will take like 3 minutes to really cook down. In our bowl, we're gonna do some cheese, 1 egg, almond flour, some garlic powder, salt and pepper, a little bit of that baking powder. Once your bacon is ready, throw that in there, followed by your spinach. That spinach cooks down so much. You gotta use like a whole bag to get anything out of it. But this is perfect for the amount we were using it with. Mix it all up. This smelled really good too while it was cooking. And then I did a soft boiled egg on top. Some finely sliced avocado, or thinly sliced, sorry. A little bit of salt and pepper and some green onion. Blueberry lemon tart chaffle. You're gonna need an egg, a lemon, just a couple blueberries, some mozzarella cheese, stevia again, or your choice of sugar, almond flour, baking powder, of course. And in a bowl, you're gonna mix in your cheese, your egg, your baking flour, your almond flour. Mash up your blueberries so they kind of look like this. You're gonna throw those into the bowl. A little bit of stevia, and you're gonna zest about half of a lemon. I had a pretty large lemon, so I did half, and the juice of about a third of a lemon. And then just throw that onto your waffle maker and rinse, repeat. Then on top of that, I just did a little bit of the butter and then some blueberries. This is really good with agave syrup as well. It's really sweet. But this was delicious. It was like pretty lemony, but I really liked it. Last one, the chicken salad chaffle. You can use the Mexican style blend again. The almond flour, mustard, mayo, baking powder, green onion, radish, yep, that's right. Some chicken I baked earlier and already seasoned. You can use any kind of chicken that you have or you like. 1 egg and some romaine. In your bowl, you know the drill. Cheese, egg, oh damn it, out of order. Cheese, almond flour, egg, baking powder. Mix it all up. In a separate bowl, you're gonna put in all of your chicken, all of your egg, just 1 egg, your radish, do some mustard, about 2 tablespoons of mayo, your green onion, mix it all up. I already had the chicken seasoned, so I didn't add any salt and pepper seasoning to that. Then just place your romaine on top and throw that chicken salad down. If you have the time, which I didn't feel like it, but you could do another chaffle on top and have like a little bit of a sandwich. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Like I said, check out the box below. I'll have all the exact ingredients in my blog. And thank you guys so much for being here. Bye.